Hey guys, this is Michael with Fused LED, and I'm going to show you how to put these 9007 bulbs in your headlights. The base is adjustable and it is removable. Just spin it counterclockwise until you can release it from the bulb, and then you will actually install this piece, which is the base of the bulb, into the headlight first, and then you'll twist the bulb in last. Once you have the LED base in the headlight, you can take your lock cap and install it onto the headlight around the base and lock it tight. And now you're ready to stick the bulb back in to the headlight. Twist it until it is aligned properly. On these 9007 F1 series bulbs, you want the wire going straight down so that the low and high beam are correctly shining out. And like I said, the base is adjustable, so you can align it if it is crooked. Thank you for watching. This is Michael with Fused LED.